This is my honest review about this EV charger that produces a 40 amps current using the 240 voltage outlet. You probably need a certified electrician, or you can do it by yourself by installing the NEMA 14x50 plug and using a 50 amps or greater circuit breaker. And you just drill 3 holes on the wall to mount the charger in. This EV car charger is equipped with RGB work indicator lights, which is visually displayed with the charging status. The red means it's not ready. On the side, it has a emergency stop switch. You gotta switch that off. When it's indicate blue, meaning it's ready to go. And when you charge it, it's green, meaning it's charging. This charger is universal compatibility with a lot of EVs types, such as the Ford Mustang Mach-E, the Hyundai Iconic 5, Ford F-150 Lightning, the Honda Prologue, Equinox, Cadillac, and even the Rivian. This charger also works with all Tesla model, which need a Tesla adapter. And the best features of this charger, I would say, is the weatherproof. It is waterproof, dustproof, and fire-resistant protective housing. Whether installed inside or outdoors, it gives you a peace of mind when charging in all weather conditions. As you can see, at 40 amps current, it boosts up my charging time from 18% to 80% in about less than 5 hours, which is super fast. After all, I'm very happy with the purchase of these chargers.